Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking crazy, but honestly I feel like I look crazy on all my videos, so like it's nothing new. But in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my slick back bun. Little quick background on my hair. My hair last year used to be like so thick when I did this hairstyle that I didn't even need to do a bun. I just did like a puff, and then it was just like so big and just so everything I wanted. But then I got too happy with the straightener and I like damaged my hair. But I'm back to getting my hair back because I'm just not gonna put heat in it, just like I did when I got it like the last time. And I don't know, my hair grows pretty fast, and like if I cut it, like it'll come back. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. So I'm not like really worried about like not straightening my hair anymore and not like putting heat, because I know by the time summer's over it'll be back to what it was last year. So yeah, that's just how my hair is. I don't know, but I'm just gonna do this video super quick because I'm about to film another video actually, which I'll have linked down below. It's gonna be my summer try on haul. Everything's like super affordable, so if you guys want to see that, the link's down below. Let's just get right into the video. So basically I'm about to just start brushing my hair out so there's like no knots or anything in it, and yeah. Okay, so my hair's pretty much all brushed out and there's like no tangles or anything in it. So I'm gonna grab this eaten up comb and just start making a part. I usually do it on my left side. There's like still gel in my hair, so it's like a little off. That's okay, because I'm gonna add more gel to it right now anyway, so I'm not really stressing or anything. So every time I like do a part, I'll like brush it to like see what it's gonna look like. So like okay, so this is honestly pretty good. And now I'm gonna be grabbing my Eco Styler gel and the olive oil one. This is the only Eco Styler that works for my hair. All the other ones make my hair curl up, or it doesn't lay my hair, or yeah. And I know some people who like this literally doesn't do anything for them. So I feel like if you're gonna use Eco Styler gel, even though there's like a lot of like controversy on this gel and like how it like makes you sick and whatnot, but I feel like don't drag me, but I feel like in this day and age, like nothing is really good for you anymore. So I don't know, I just say I'm here for a good time, not a long time. But maybe I just don't do enough research. So honestly, if you guys know any good gels that don't have like all the bad chemicals and stuff in it, let me know so I can check it out, because I don't know, my hair is weird and doesn't like, this is literally the only gel that I have ever tried that lays my hair. So yeah, if you know any other gels, let me know. But I'm about to grab this hard brush from literally Dollar Tree. I dip the brush in it and then I just pick up some gel so it looks like that. And I just start like placing it like this at the top of my hair. I'm gonna move closer because I can't see a thing. And literally I just start laying it down. This hairstyle is honestly so easy, guys. Like once you get my throat, once you get like a good gel to lay your hair that like works for you, this hairstyle is so easy, and it's literally my go-to because of how quick it is. You just start like rubbing your hands down it, so like, because my hair curls up and like waves up super duper quick, but if I do this, it like gets as much like slick as possible, and then I just pull it back into a ponytail. Literally you can keep it into a ponytail or bring it into a bun, but because I don't like how like my hair is not as thick anymore, I don't like to put it in a ponytail anymore, but I grab a little bit more gel and I get this kitchen in the back, because if the kitchen's not laid, then honestly, like, the bun doesn't look that good, which it still looks good, but like it doesn't look that good. So I just brush the kitchen. Do you guys call it a kitchen too? I don't know. One of my good friends told me that it's called the kitchen in 9th grade, and I've been calling it that ever since. Just grab everything. Then I keep doing this gel like this, and I just add it to the right side and then the left side and like the middle and back. And then I literally just grab my elastic and I split it into a low bun. A little bit more gel, like this much, and I just put it right here like that, and then I grab this eaten up comb and I literally just start like swooping them a little, nothing like extra, just literally like that. I just make sure, because you just saw how that was literally about to do me dirty, like there wasn't enough gel there, so I just make sure that everything has gel. And then okay, so usually I will use my headscarf to wrap my hair, but honestly it has really been missing in action lately. Don't know where it went, so I'm gonna literally use a pair of leggings. If you have a headscarf, that will be so much better, and like a silk one. I just literally this is so, oh my gosh. So I just get the leggings. It's usually a headscarf, promise you, but I'm just gonna put the leggings and put like the legs part under my bun, and then literally tie it. Okay guys, so this is how the look came out. I ended up finding my headscarf actually, so I was able to take off the leggings, but this is how my hair looks. It's really so simple and so easy. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down anything down below if you guys just want to chat, or if you guys have any video requests, or like any gels that are like good for you and like are not harmful. Let me know, because I know the gel I use is, but like it's really all that I can use right now, because it's all that works for my hair. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification, because I have really been like filming and editing lately. Like, I don't know, like this summer I just really feel into it, like I don't know, especially lately. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see the clothing haul that I'm about to film, I will have that linked down below, because I'm gonna edit both videos today and most likely upload them both today. If not, the other video is gonna be uploaded tomorrow. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.